Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a ChargePoint Home Flex charger in the USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before you begin, ensure you have all necessary tools and materials ready. Check local building codes and permits for installing EV chargers in your area. Make sure the ChargePoint Home Flex charger is compatible with your electric vehicle. Select a suitable location for the charger, ideally close to your electrical panel. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to ensure safety during installation. Using a stud finder, locate the wall studs to ensure secure mounting. Mark the installation location where you want to mount the charger. Drill pilot holes into the wall where you've marked. Use appropriate anchors if mounting on drywall. Securely attach the mount for the ChargePoint unit to the wall. Connect the wiring to the ChargePoint unit based on the installation guide. If hardwiring, use wire nuts to secure the connections. Plug it in if you are using a plug-in installation method. Install the breaker for the dedicated circuit as required by local electrical codes. After wiring is complete, double-check all connections for security. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Once powered, follow the on-screen instructions or app setup for your ChargePoint Home Flex. Test the charger with your electric vehicle to ensure it's functioning properly. Secure any loose wires and maintain a tidy installation. Remember to register your charger with ChargePoint for warranty and support. Your ChargePoint Home Flex charger is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.